smart fan that doesn't drain your wallet, the Xiaomi Fan 2 Lite is the answer. Or is it? Let's find out. Specs: 38 watts power, 27 cubic meters of air per minute, 3 speeds plus sleep in standard modes, noise at 37.2 decibels, quieter than a library whisper. Wi-Fi on 2.4 GHz, works with Mi Home app, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Height adjustable, 3.06 kilograms, 34 by 33 by 90 centimeters. The airflow is smooth and consistent. Sleep mode ramps sound down even further. App control works without lag. Set timers, change oscillation, switch modes remotely. Customizable height fits desk or floor. If you've used a smart fan before, drop a comment saying which one. I'm curious to hear your experience. In summer, speed 1 and 2 are too weak. Only level 3 provides fair airflow. For the price, it's one of the better smart fans under $50. Solid build, reliable app, quiet operation. But if you live in a hot climate, the lower speeds won't cut it. You'll be stuck on level 3 most of the time.